Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Photoshop tips and tricks. And in this video, I'll show you how to rotate shape in Photoshop. Let me show you how. Like for instance, this particular shape right here, I can decide to rotate it in different angle. There are so many ways by which you can do that. One of the first way is that we can easily come to the top right here. We go ahead and click on edit. Then we make sure we click on free transform right here, and this is going to be active. Once we click on free transform, if we are using advanced Photoshop, maybe Photoshop 2024, 25, and 2026, you will have access to a quick contextual taskbar right here, which allow you to quickly use the tools right here to quickly rotate your shape. Now we can decide to rotate this particular shape into a clockwise rotate. Then you have it right here. So if you want to return back to the normal position, click on it again, it takes you back to normal position. So if you want to rotate counterclockwise, go ahead and click on counterclockwise, then you have it right here. So we can decide to rotate on a certain size. For instance, if I want to rotate this particular shape by 45 degrees, so what I need to do is to come to the top right here, and then I will go ahead and type in 45 right here. So once you type in 45, then you have it right here. Then you have the result here. Then here we can decide to position the shape in another way around. So I can scale up. So this is a very good way if you are trying to design some things in Photoshop. So this is one of the very good, easy way to rotate your shape. So once you are satisfied with it, go ahead and hit on done right here, and the shape is going to be permanent rotate right here. So we can go on and rotate as many as possible shape in Photoshop. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks about how best to use Photoshop like this, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.